Welcome to Dialogue Lesson 32. Peter is taking the dog for a walk and he leaves the ladies to continue their conversation.
Did you like the food, Jeanne?
I liked it very much. Before I came to England, I thought English food was not good. I knew that English people ate to live and others lived to eat. English food is not so bad. Wherever you go, you see fast food restaurants and they are the same everywhere. I ate fish and chips and I must say that I enjoyed it very much.
With who did you eat fish and chips?
I went with 2 colleagues from school on Friday. We learned that it is a tradition to eat fish on Fridays.
Which is your favorite English meal, Jeanne, roast dinner or fish and chips?
Neither actually. I love English breakfast. I told Peter about the breakfast I had this morning. It consisted of fried eggs, grilled bacon, baked beans, and boiled mushrooms.
There was an English writer named Somerset Maugham. He said that, to eat well in England you should have breakfast 3 times a day. To be fair, he wrote that at the beginning of the last century. Things have improved, haven't they? By the way, there is a really comprehensive list of irregular verbs and how to pronounce them correctly.